Hello guys from YouTube, here's your friend Manny. Today we're fixing a handle door for a Nissan Rogue 2012. I was watching a lot of videos about the handle, right? To remove it is so easy. All you gotta do is remove this screw from here, from the lock, and then this is gonna pop out. But the main thing here is it's not the handle that is bad. It's this cable that goes out. Let me show you. You see this over here? Let me see. Okay, wait. You see this over here? That part that goes out, and it's because this open. You know, during the time they use, all you gotta do is get a wrench and close it again. It's not, if it's not broken, it's good. All you gotta do is close this gap a little bit more. There's a little gap, you see, on the cable. So that avoid that's avoid the cable comes out of the little hole over there. And that's it, guys. It will be fixed. You don't need to buy a new handle or nothing. It just pop out. All you gotta do is put it in again over here, and then close it a little bit more, and that's it. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Fix.